Very good evening. I'm Gautam. So today we'll be starting with your mission hour rate, an 100% important question for your 14 marks in your cost accounting. Okay. So in main, what do you mean by mission hour rate? Okay. Mission hour rate means, okay, what is the cost, okay, incurred, okay, while running a particular machine. Okay, so what is the cost incurred to run a particular type of machine? Okay, this is what under this method, okay, we're gonna determine the overhead absorption rate. Okay, it is the cost of operating. Okay, where we're gonna find out the cost of operating a machine for an hour. Okay, it is clear that, okay, which are all those costs which is incurred, okay, or which are all those operating expenses incurred while running a machine for an hour. Okay, this method is suitable for industry where the major portion of the production is performed by machines. Okay, ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ in order to obtain the what is it the accountability of a particular machine. Okay, and the separate rate na ಇಲ್ಲಿ allocate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ each ಒಂದು machine how they are working, okay, will get to know, okay, how to compute a machinery or rate. So in order to compute the machine hour rate, we're gonna divide the expenses in the form of, okay, running expenses and standing expenses. Okay, standing expenses are those which doesn't vary with the use of machine. Okay, see, standing variables are those, okay, standing charges are those which not vary, okay, which do not vary. Next, okay, running expenses are those, or machine running expenses or variable expenses are both are same, which will be called as, okay, running expenses. The running expenses are vary according to the run of a particular machine. Okay, where we're gonna find out, okay, we're gonna find out the hourly rate, okay, incurred, okay, while running a machine. Okay, see, it is clear. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಮಿಷಿನ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಕರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಅವರ್ ರೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ. Okay, now from the following information calculate machine hour rate. Okay, now rent of the department, okay, it is rent of the department, it is 60,000, where our machine uses 1/5 space. Okay, andre for example I have a godown. Okay, in my godown 1/5, okay, space is used for my machine. Okay, next, lightning, number of light points in the department is 12. Okay, out of which is used for 2 light points for our machine. Okay, lightning charges now ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, 2 light points for our machine. Next, insurance premium is to 6,000. See, these are all those costs which are given in the form of annum basis. Okay, andre yearly basis. Okay, next, repair and maintenance of the entire life of the machine. Okay, len kottidane repair and maintenance they had given for entire life of the machine. Okay, next, cotton waste. Okay, per year it is 6,000. Salary to a foreman, okay, 1/4 of his time devoted towards the machinery. Okay, we have a foreman in our industry. Okay, he is devoting is 1/4 time towards our machinery. Okay, next, the cost of machinery, estimated scrap value and installation charges, these three involved in the determination of depreciation. Okay, next, the working life of the machine is 18,000 hours. Okay, next, machine consumes 10 units of power per hour at a rate of rupees 1 point per hour. okay, per unit. Okay, sorry, 1.5 per unit. Next, working hours of the machine is 2200 per annum, which includes setup time, okay, or setting up time. It is 200 hours. See, this 200 hours are what? Setup time ಅಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ where machine will be idle. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಜೋಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಇದಾಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ನಿಂತೋಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಗೇನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 200 hours incur ಆಗಿದೆ. Or you can assume that this is the expenses which is incur, okay, which is incur while setting up of a machinery or installing a machinery. Okay, now we'll start with solving the problem. So how to solve a problem? So we need to allocate the cost in the form of standing and running. Okay, take down the standing charges. Okay, I'll give a list of standing charges. Jot down. Okay, barkoli. Okay, standing charges are fixed expenses. Standing charges are fixed expenses, okay, which do not vary with the use of machine. For example, write it down: rent, comma, rates, comma, lightning, rent, comma, rates, comma, lightning, comma, insurance, comma, consumables, etc. Okay, next, write it down: running expenses slash variable expenses slash machine expenses. Are those expenses which vary with running of machines. For example, depreciation, repair and maintenance, power, etc. Okay, so it is clear that, okay, according to the, what is that, standing charges are those which doesn't vary. Okay, like for example fixed cost. Okay, fixed cost ತರ vary ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. Now rent, as you know that it is standing charges. Where I'm going to record under the standing charges. Okay, what is my rent? Okay, rent, it is how much? It is 60,000, right? Okay, 60,000. Okay, ನನ್ನ ಮಿಷನರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇದೆ? 1/5 ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಕರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Therefore into 1 divided by 5 bracket close. Therefore it is 12,000. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನನ್ನ ಮಿಷನರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ನಾನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we have lightning. Okay, as you know that lightning is a standing charges. Okay, lightning estiде. See, lightning is, we have 12. Okay, 12 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 3,600 rupees. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 units ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? You need to find out. Why? Because we are using only how many units? It is 2 units only. Therefore it is 36,000, okay, into 2 divided by 12. Okay, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಷನರಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು? 2 units ಮಾತ್ರ. Okay, ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು? 12 units ಗೆ they are incurring 36,000. What is the 2 units price? In order to obtain it, it is 36,000 into 2 divided by 12, it is 6,000. Is it clear? I'll get you running expenses and standing expenses chart. Okay. Next, is it clear till here? Okay. Next we have rent aitala. Next we have insurance. Okay. See, insurance premium paid for the machinery. Insurance premium ಯಾವಾಗ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ತಾನೇ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಕೂಡ ಆನಮ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋನಾ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆನಲ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್. ಸಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಥವಾ ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಥವಾ ಆನಮ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇಯರ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ ಆನಮ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 6000. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ರಿಪೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಪೇರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವಾಗೋ ಇನ್ಕರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವಾಗೋ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ರನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಇನ್ಕರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿ, ರಿಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಇಸ್ 18,000. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಪೇರು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಮಿಷಿನರಿ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂತೆ. ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿಷಿನರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 18,000 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಮಿಷನರಿ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 18,000 ಅವರ್ಸ್. therefore 1 hour ಎಷ್ಟು? you need to find out. okay, I'll gonna record here. it is repairs. okay, repairs and maintenance. okay, repair and maintenance. okay, therefore what I need to do, see, write it down. it is how much? it is 18,000 alva. okay, divided by, see, ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ machinery working life of the machine is expected. estimated life of the machine is 18,000 hours. therefore it is 18,000 hours, bracket close. therefore it is 1 rupee. okay, running expenses are to be recorded in the form of rate per hour. ಯಾಪಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, running expenses will be recorded in the performance of rate per hour, or else you can calculate. okay, or else you have option in the last, you can calculate per hour. okay, ಇದೇ ತರನೇ ನೀವು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು later on you can calculate. okay, in hourly basis ಒಂದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. like for example, suppose ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 18,000 ನ ತಗೊಂಡು divided by working life ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get the same life, I mean same. okay, but running expenses na I'll gonna do for the hourly basis. therefore hourly basis it is 1 rupee. is it clear? 18,000 divided by 18,000. see, repair and maintenance, it is 18,000 divided by working life of the working hours. okay, or estimated hours or estimated life of the machine is 18,000. you will get to know 1 rupee. is it clear? is it clear? okay, next we have cotton and waste. okay, for a year it is 6,000 rupees. okay, cotton and waste estiide for a year it is 6,000. therefore cotton and waste, it is a standing charges. okay, I'm gonna record under this. therefore cotton and waste, cotton waste oil. okay, cotton waste oil. okay, cotton waste ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? that specified it is 6,000. okay, I'm gonna record the same 6,000 easier. Okay, next salary to a foreman. Okay, we have okay ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕೆಲಸಗಾರನ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವನ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 32,000. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿ ಅವನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ. ಅವನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಷಿನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 1/4. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅವ್ನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 0.25. ಓಕೆ, 75% ಬೇರೆದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, 25% ಮಾತ್ರ is devoting the time. Therefore, I need to calculate the cost for only 1 divided by 4 means it equal to 25%. Okay, therefore it is 32,000 bracket open, 32,000 into 1 divided by 4. Okay, therefore it is 8,000 rupees. Okay, next we have salary aito, cost of machine and estimated life, installation charges which is required to provide. Okay, depreciation. Okay, it is information kotirodu in order to find out the depreciation. Okay, it is working note number 1. Okay, now in order to find out the working note 1, okay, now we'll find out the working note 1. Okay, depreciation. Depreciation is equal to original investment, okay, minus original investment plus installation charges okay, original investment plus installation charges, okay, divided by minus scrap value divided by estimated life of the project. Okay, it is estimated life or estimated hours. Therefore, see in the problem whether they had specified with the depreciation information. Yes, they had specified. Original investment it is 1 lakh, scrap is 10,000, installation charges is 20. Okay, let's do. It is okay. Original investment is 1 lakh. Okay, minus scrap value it is 10,000 plus installation charges it is 20,000. Therefore, divided by estimated life of the project or estimated hours, it is 18,000 hours. Is it clear? Depreciation calculation artha aita? Therefore, it equals to okay 6.1. Is it clear? Check it out. See, original investment minus scrap value minus installation charges, you'll get to know depreciation. Therefore 1 lakh minus 10,000 minus, sorry, plus 20,000 divided by 18,000, you'll get 6.11. Is it clear? Now, so I am gonna record under this. This it is 6.11. Okay. Next, okay. See, information ಆಯ್ತು. Next, we have working life ಆಯ್ತು. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ information ಏನೋ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. Machine consumes it is 10,000 hours ಅಂತೆ. Okay. Machine consumes ಎಷ್ಟು? I mean, sorry, 10 units at a rate of for 1 unit ಎಷ್ಟು? It is 1.5. Therefore, power ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ಕರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಮಿಷಿನ್ ರನ್ ಆಗೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, power bracket open, it is how much units we are utilizing? We are utilizing 10 units. Okay, what is the cost per unit? It is 10 rupees. Sorry, it is 1.5 per unit. Therefore, it is 15 rupees. Or direct tax 15 rupees. Is it clear? Okay. Now, running expenses alaitu. Now calculate this amount. It is 12,000 plus 6,000 plus 6,000 plus 6,000 plus 8,000. You'll get to know it is 38,000. Now, I'm gonna find out the cost. Therefore, rate per hour it is equal to 38,000 divided by, okay, divided by number of hours used in an, okay, per year. How to find out that? Okay, working hours of a machine. Okay, how to find out that? We have working note number 2. Working note number 2. Okay, to find out productive hours. Productive andre machine ಎಷ್ಟು ಓಡಿದೆ, productive hours andre. Okay, therefore it is okay. See, problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ, working, okay, working hour of a machine it is 2,200 hours it is, and also we have setup time it is 200 hours ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ. Okay, so ಈ information ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ now I'm gonna take this information. Okay, now take it down. Working hours of machine. Okay, it is equal to 2,200 hours. Okay, less setup time, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಓಡಲ್ಲ. Okay, or setting up time. It is 200 hours. Therefore, the productive hours it is 2,000 hours. Is it clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 2,000 hours ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ? Based on this information I had calculated it. Okay, therefore I need to divide, okay, each and every cost divided by 2,000. Therefore it is equal to, we'll get 19 rupees. Okay, Next, therefore 1 plus 6 plus 6.11 plus 15, you will get to know 22.11. Therefore, A plus B, it is 41.11 machine hour rate. Is it clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಷನರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋನಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Is it clear? ನೋಡಿ, if you have any doubts, let me know. Just a simple problem where you need to know with the standing and running charges. Okay, and ಎಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಷನರಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋನಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Is it clear? Setting up time ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, okay, see, setting up time means where our machine will not run, it will be idle. Okay, it is like a idle time. Okay, so adrinda ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Okay, where my productivity is not there, no, so I need to deduct it. ಸೆಟಪ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ರನ್ ಅಂತ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ದಿಂದ ಏನು ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ, ಪವರ್ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪವರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ, ಸಿ, ದೇ ಸೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ಸ್ 10 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪವರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅವರ್ಗೆ 10 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಂತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಾ ಇರೋದೇನು, ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಅವರ್ ರೇಟ್ 1 ಅವರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ್ಯಾ? 1 ಅವರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತೆ, 10 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕುಡಿಯುತ್ತಂತೆ. ಐ ಮೀನ್ 10 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪವರ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಯುತ್ತೆ. therefore 1 hour, I mean 1 unit ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು, it is 1.5. therefore 10 into 1.5, it is 15. Okay,